return, we order NT-pro-BNP to ease you about doing business with us. And as a result, we may be capturing another data. So company, they set up their threshold limits, just like you hear on any long weekend that you buy 2 tires and get 2 tires free, something like that. When you look at the big picture, how the big life insurance company, they run all these threshold settings. So be upfront, be honest, disclose everything, let these companies compete, let you get the best that you deserve. But for that you need to be upfront, honest, candid, and then you get the best price based on whatever the situation or the history you may have, right? We sometimes see that 72-year-old customer tells us that I have never been to a doctor in last 5 years. Life insurance is not a gambling. We want to know what is your current blood sugar level, how your liver, how your kidney is working. One quick and easy way out is to order and check your blood and urine, because it provides lots of details. The 2-page blood and urine that you see typically that we use in the industry, there are thousands of tests that can be added in your blood and in your urine. You may not even realize that home office underwriter does on as needed basis to better screen your application. Okay, so we cannot price if you tell us that you have never been to the doctor in last 5 years. If that is the case, then we may insist, depending upon the company specifics, that you have to have a complete evaluation done at your own expense by doctor of your choice. If and when done, then come and see us. Or we may say that we need exam, EKG, blood, urine, whatever may be appropriate, looking into the individual consideration. Okay? And one more element to look at is, why not take the advantage of that free blood and urine? Whether you have the health insurance or not, chances are that you are paying some or more to get your routine blood and urine done at any medical facility or at your doctor's office. So when you are applying, and if the home office underwriter says that I want to see your blood and urine, we see that many times customers are telling us that my agent or my broker told me that there will not be any exam blood and urine. You guys are claiming on the TV, radio commercials and on internet that there will not be any blood, urine and exam and blah 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 blah. But that is true when you look at the overall demographics in the population. Out of 100 customers, 90 to 95 customers, depending upon the final expense or a simplified issue, right, how that has been defined and streamlined subject to the age and face amount, they do fly, they do go without blood and urine. But you are one of those 5 or 10 remaining cases where the company dictates the home office underwriter that we will need blood and urine. So in that case you get upset and you say no. I would say, why no? Just do it. You can get it done free. Why not? Think about it. So as we started this presentation series, the focus was at the three front, the home office underwriters, our field partners, the agent brokers, and the ultimate customers. So just to quickly wrap up the presentation series for the home office underwriters, if you are watching, be flexible, support your data scientists, actuaries, but do raise your hand because they have a different perspective. What you see is different. You are the frontline screener and you do sense what is going on because you need to correlate and provide the constant feedback to them. So be flexible, open, think outside the box, but you are the first line screener, so be meticulous and internally as well as externally. Internally with your data scientists, actuaries, senior management, try to act like a team player. Externally, you need to support our agents and brokers and the ultimate customers because we go through the transition with the use of new tools and technology. So we have got to help out each other, right? For the technical underwriters, this would help you focus on the complicated cases and the large face amount cases. Okay, so that's for those who are out there as technical underwriters. For our field partners who are the agents or the brokers, a couple of things here. Understand and get involved into the trend, tools, technology and the transition. Remember the threshold settings of buy 2 tires and get 2 tires free, just like EKG versus anti-pro BNP. Take the advantage of it. As I have said before, some companies up to a point they say it's all standard, and beyond that point it's all decline. Take the advantage of that products that some companies are selling that may meet a specific customer who is approaching you for the life insurance need, right? It goes with the threshold settings, and take that advantage. So the placement rates are higher for better placement rate and the persistency rates when it comes to the accelerated underwriting program. So this will continue to grow, and take the advantage of it. So this is for our agents and brokers. For our customers, I would say that those various websites and the tools that I was referring to, whether it be FCRA or MIB or a HIPAA, check it out online, and there are lots of details out there. I'm just giving an overview. Know your rights, right? And having said that, be practical. Let these companies compete to better serve you. Don't hide anything. Be open, be honest, be transparent. Tell them you have got a heart attack or a stroke, and let them figure out. Because they need your business. And you have no choice. Even if you don't admit through the background check, because you signed to release different data through different sources, they are going to know that you have had the history of whatever it may be, the heart attack or stroke. So why not? Be upfront, be honest. That would be a take-home message if you are the ultimate customers. Okay, so that's all I have in this presentation series, and it's difficult to find the time to prepare such presentations and release such video, but the intent is because I have been helped from time to time by those who have been pros in the industry, and my goal is to help you out if and when possible and my busy schedule permits. So I hope that I will come soon to help you with any other video presentations like this. Take care. Goodbye.